started the first minute. Let's get it. Set in the play. That's what about to go. Player number 25 puts down by that is Merino. Set in the play. Chasing by player number 16. Basu. Player number 40 got a steal by Kelly. Player number 32 beat situation. Fake block. That's player number 16. That's player number 13. Now again. 15 seconds on the shot clock. That is player number 40. Boston and Vasco Merino. Merino, 15 seconds on the shot clock. The player number 4 jumper. Easy 2 points. The lead is down to 1. The score is 3-2. Lamang para sa third quarter. That's player number 13. Set in the play. Chasing by Merino. Vasu. Yarman player number 16. Vasu player number 13. Carry jumper. Basket is good. That is Abzal. Vasu player number 4. Abzal. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Vasu Merino. Merino. Set in the play. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Abzal 82 points. The score is 5-4, 1 point lead. Player number 30, Vasu player number 16. That's player number 91, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper no. Rebound by player number 40. Vasu Merino, 15 seconds on the shot clock. That's player number 24, jumper no. Rebound Barco. That is TRI and Merino. Right, there is the whistle. Who's Bauer? Copy player number 20. First team foul. There's Merino on the line. Both of them is here, second attempt jumpers ready. Two out of 2. Change lead is score is 6-5. Yes, come on. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Yes, two ball foul. Drive the play now. Remember player number 18. There is a whistle. Who's Velvet? Velvet player number 16. First personal, second team foul. Player number 4. Vasco Merino. Ball scorer. Chasing by Yarman B. 8 seconds violation. 8 seconds violation. There's remaining 7 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Yan, para makita yung alaga. Barbuga pass with Arman's remaining violation. Ipinasa. Itiniro ng tres. At puntos. Boxing legs Junior also. Player number 28, jumper block. 15 seconds on the shot clock. But it's still Merino. Merino set in the play. 3v3 situation. CC for Carmon. Merino pass to player number 4. Easy 2 points. 6 points lead. Score is 11-5. That is that back. Set in the play. Pass over to Courage. Pass for Merino. Rebound player number 40. CC for player number 18. Player number 40. Boston and pass to Merino. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to player number 40. But down 3. number 30, Gary. Gary's ready to play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. For round 3, player number 30, 3. Player number 18. Now gonna pass to player number 40, jumper easy 2 points. Both teams waiting for change 5. Player number 30. Pass to Armand from down, no. Armand drive, easy 2 points. Both teams waiting for change 5. Player number 4, 2v1 situation, but it's still on player number 91, pass to player number 30. Player number 30, showing their skills, 3v1 situation. Player 4 defense down, no. Player number 40 again, drive, pressure, no. Player number 30, pass to Barbuco, goes down, Barbuco, 3. Both teams change 5. The lead is down to 3, scoring 16-13. That's player number 21. That's the hard boys. Player number 45, jumper no. Player number 41 by steal. That is player number 30. That's player number 4 by steal by Castillo. Player number 40, fake. That's Castillo, jumper no. But it's still playing number 40, pass for Castillo, what a pass! That is steal. Pass to player number 30. Pass to player number 4, turnover. That is time remaining, 4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Hiding ball, set the play, chasing by player number 11. Drive no. Who's foul left? Foul with player number 14, Bruce Personal, 13 foul. Play that. Player number 18 rather. First person on 13 foul. One out of 2, player number 45. Player number 18. That's the player number 30, cross stolen, chasing by player number 21. Player number 30, Galvez. That's the player number 18, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper easy, 2 points. That is Castillo, 15 seconds on the shot clock, player number 14. Please step up for Trey. Points, player number 30, Galvez. Galvez pass to player number 5, no. Even with player number 21, pass to Castillo, pass to player number 40. Player number 40, but still by player number 4. Pass to player number, pass to Galvez. Drop 2 shot. go. Check 1, 2. Same ball possession. Seconds on the shot clock. Jumper, 2 points for player number 11. The lead is down the ball. The score is 26-21. Player number 45, Moss Nolan. Who's foul? Foul on player number 13. Laging foul. First personal. Warning for penalty. This player number 45 on the line. The first shot is good. Second attempt jumper is ready. Two out of two. Shout out to Dogs. Happy birthday. Seconds on the shot clock. That's the player number 30, that's the player number 11. Turnover. Last 28 seconds remaining. That's the player number 14, behind the ball. That's the player number 21. Player number 21. Drive, easy 2 points. Shot clock is running up, last 15 seconds remaining. Van Gojo, pass to Blanes. Easy 2 points, the lead is now the Rebels, Rebels 30-23. That's the player number 45, that's 5 seconds remaining. Not counted. The official score is 30-23. Lamang para sa South Plains. Overtaking Nash. Ibo. Yes, Merino, set in the play. Steve Merino, from the left, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Have the player number 24, battle. Indian jumper, no. Save possession, 18 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the whistle, loose foul, player number 28. Pushing foul. Second personal, first team foul, 2 shot. Shoutout po sa 3 game viewers. Shoutout po sa tumatawag. One out of 2. 8 points here, player number 16 from Zanzibar, people with player number 18, Matthew Merino. Merino, easy by, got man. 15 seconds on the shot clock, Merino, set in the play, better steal. Player number 28, Matthew Bartuno. Bartuno, better player number 16, grabbing violation. Player number 4, better steal. That's the player number 16, Prime is the points. Player number 4, set in the play. That's the player number better steal. Player number 4 again. No. Now player number 30, Gary. Gary set in the play. That's the Barbuga. Go. Barbuga, easy times out. That's the player number 16, jumper, no, rebound, Merino. Sergey Nash, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Player number 30, foul player number 15, foul player number 16, jumper, no. Oh, but it's still player number 28. Number 28, offensive foul. That is first personal, player number 28, jumper, 2 points to player number 45. Berbuka down, player number 30. Player number 30 behind the back pass, big pass to Berbuka, it runs down, Berbuka, 3. It's still, but still, again, player number 18. Number 18 logo way there's Merino drive. Foul it. Foul with player number 16, pushing foul. Second personal, first team foul. Merino on the line, first shot, it's good. Second attempt, jumpers ready. Two out of two. Oh. 15 seconds on the shot clock. That's a player number 28, jumper, easy for points. The lead is down to 5, score is 35-30. That's two. Alvaro, player number 18, there's the winner who's foul it. Foul with player number 25. First personal foul, second team foul. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Player number 18 inbound the floor. Pass to Merino, this is for player number 16. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Turnover. Zone 4-4. Player number 30. Set in the play. Ball is still there for player number 24. Ball to player number 45. Hardy boys pass player number 4. Drive though. Same ball possession. Same ball possession. Pass to player number 30. Number 30 for long three carry. 3. The lead is down to scoring 35-33. Pass to Merino. There's the middle is down right now. Player number. Wala pa. Second personal, 13 foul. 13 foul. 19 seconds on the shot clock. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Player number 20. That's the player number 16. And down, holding a player. 45-34. Still being taken division. Teasing by player number 30. Drive, there's the rebound. Out of player number 30. First personal, winding for penalty.
Number 20, pass to 16. Take a shot, 2 points. By number 19. Number 0 playing the ball, pass, steal by number 91. Turn around, three bus, wow. Number 20. Pass number 4, take a shot, no. Number 0. Take a three, no good. Number 30. Number 16, take a shot, 2 points. Go. Jersey number 4. Jersey four. Foul, jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. First personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 30, make a 3. No good. Give by jersey number 45. Jersey number 45, pass to Merino. Merino on the move, pass to jersey number 4, shot, 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 91, back back. Jersey number 91, making a play sa bang bola, pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 on the drive, jersey number 16, 2 points. Jersey number 45, pass to. Loose ball, turnover. Score, 56-52. Jersey number 16 sa gitna, nilabas yung bola, pass to jersey number 40, shot for 3. No good, jersey number 40, Riolo. Riolo, loose ball. There's a ball. Foul. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Third personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul, sorry. 19 seconds to shoot. Merino, pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, back to Merino. Merino, making a play. Merino, pass to jersey number 40, 43. 3 points to Riolo. Jersey number 16, ginaba ang bola, pinuwet, pass to jersey number 25. Bumawi ng 3. No good, ginaba jersey number 1. Jersey number 21, kaya mapapasahan, pass to jersey number 16, 4-2. No good again, ginaba Merino. Merino, pass to jersey number 45. Jersey number 45, making a play. Jersey number 45 on the drive. No good, different play. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 40, pinapatahan. Jersey number 50. Jersey number 20. 18 seconds on the clock. Steal by Merino. Merino on the drive. Pass to jersey number 40, Riolo. 2 points, Riolo. Jersey number 16. Dinamit yung bola. 7 minutes and 15 seconds on the clock. Jersey number 19. Start for 2. And good play. Jersey number 91. Wow. Jersey number 91. 44. First personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 91. Pass to jersey number 16. Shot for 2. No good. Rebound. Loose ball. Sub. Sub right. Yes. Jersey sub right. In out, inside out. So, jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 11, shot for 2, no good. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the drive. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 16, dinamit ang bola. Making play, jersey number 16, pass to, tip pass. Loose ball again. Rebound by jersey number 25, step up 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 40, Riolo. Pass to jersey number 0, Merino. Merino, atake. Foul. Foul, jersey number 91. Jersey number 91. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots given by Merino. First basket. Second shot, jumpers will be ready. 2-4-2 for jersey number 0, Merino. Here comes jersey number 16. Tinaway yung bola. Jersey number 16 making a play, pass to jersey number 21. Back to jersey number 16, make 4-2. 2 points, jersey number 16. Pass play, pass to Riolo. Riolo, shot for 3. No good, 3 by Riolo again. Riolo, wala kang makakampi. Pass to Merino. Merino, loose ball. Sa kanya pa rin. Merino, pass to. Good ball. Steal by jersey number 21. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 on that tap. Pass to jersey number 12. Block. Jersey number 18. Same ball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, pass to jersey number 21, back to 25. Oops. 3 seconds violation. Jersey number 40, Riolo. Riolo, tatawid ng bola. Bawal pa. Riolo, tatawid ng bola. Make 4-3, no good, fake. Pass to jersey number 0, Merino, shot. 2 points, Merino. Jersey number 16, deep pass. Same ball. Sabre. In, out. Jersey number 4 in, jersey number 25 out. Jersey number 4 receive the ball. Jersey number 4 pass to jersey number ready for Sabre. Jersey number 18 rebound pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the drive. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Score 60-65. Ready for time on drive. In favor of Team South Plain. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 making a play. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 16. Back to jersey number 4. Back to jersey number 16. 5 seconds on shot clock. No good. Block. Timeout. Zone 4. More than seconds on the clock. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 4. Shot for 3. No good. Dribble by jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Papasan. Pass to Riolo. Riolo tatawid ang bola. Riolo tatawid. Riolo loose ball. Sa kanya pa rin. Reverse. No good. Dribble by jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 4. Loose ball. Jersey number 4 sa kanya pa rin. Pass to jersey number 13 sa LLM. 2 points. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 0, Merino. Tinawid ang bola. Grande pa. Merino. Gano papapasan. Merino. Pass to jersey number 4 sa LLM. Fake. Jersey number 4 on the drive. Pass to jersey number 18. 2 points. Jersey number 18. Score 67-62. In favor of Team South Plain. Here comes jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 11. Shot for 3. No good. Ito by Riolo. Riolo. Tinawid ang bola. Riolo. Nagtay ng ampe. Riolo. Pass to Merino. Merino. 15 on the shot clock. Merino. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining on the clock. Pass to Riolo. Riolo. Bumitaw ng 3. No good. Air ball. Jersey number 30. Binaba ang bola. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 11 sa gitna. No good. Rebound by. Jersey number 11 pa rin. Foul. Foul jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. First personal foul. Third team foul. 20 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 making a play. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 13 for the shot. No good. Dribble by. Jersey number 0. Merino. Merino. Kaya naman papasaran. Dalawang isip. Nasundutan. Sa kanya pa rin. Rebound. Pass to jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. On the drive. No good. Di mo ba yung number 24 pa rin? Wala pa rin. Jersey number 4, wala pa rin. Jersey number 4 ulit. Block! Jersey number 4 ulit. Pass to jersey number 24 sa ilalim. 2 points. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 30, binaba ang bola. Score, 69-62. Back to jersey number 30. Foul. Foul, jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Jersey number 30, receive the ball. Pass to jersey number 15. Back to jersey number sa ilalim. Steal by jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 nagkamadali. Janawin ang bola. Steal versus 5. And one play with jersey number 4. Foul. Jersey number 30. Second personal foul. 30 foul. Ready for timeout, Red. Wala na po timeout. Ready for sub, Red. In, out. Bonus shot for jersey number 4. 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining on the clock. Bonus shot. No good. Dribble by Merino. Offensive foul. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Second personal foul for jersey number 0. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 13. Back to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 4. No good. Pick up by jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Nagkala na mapapasahan. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the drive. Pass to jersey number 45 sa ilalim. 2 points. Jersey number 45. Pass break. Pass to jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 11. On the move. No good. Pick up by jersey number 18. Ready for Sabrek. Jersey number 45, push ball. Steal by jersey number 15. Back to jersey number 45. Jersey number 45. Bumitaw ng Tenes. No good. Rebound by jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 0. Block. Save ball. Sabrek. Jersey number 28 in. Jersey number 4 out. 1 minute and 22 seconds on the clock. Jersey number 4. Fake. Pump. Jersey number 4 on the drive. No good. Didn't apply. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 na atake. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Loose ball. Sa kanya pa rin. 2 points. Jersey number 11. Merino tatawid ang bola. Merino cross. Merino tatawid ang bola. Ganda ng kakampi. Ganda ng mapapasahan. Pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Wala mag-isip. Pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 making a play. Jersey number 18 pass sa ilalim Merino. But a loose ball. Zone 4 pass ball. Pass to jersey number 11 sa ilalim. No good. No good again. 25. No good again. Rebound by jersey number 4. 30 seconds remaining on the clock. Jersey number 4 on the drive. 2 versus 1. No good. Di mo jersey number 4 ulit. Wala pa rin. Rebound by. Oops. Tapikan. Bola ng kalaban. Time remaining 24 seconds on the clock. Jersey number 58. Loose ball. Oops. Bola ng kabila. Sabre. 21 seconds remaining on the clock. 73-64. Jersey number 24. Pass to Merino. Merino making a play. Merino nagkaroon ng mapapasahan. Bumangka. Merino. Pinapatay na jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number Riolo. Riolo. Back to Merino. 10 seconds on the clock. Back to 34. No good. Rebound by jersey number 25. 5 seconds remaining on the clock. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 25. 2 points. Jersey number 25. The third quarter. Alba, receive the ball. Back to jersey number 47. Pass to Merino. Merino, shot for 3. No good. Pass to jersey number 45. 2 points. Jersey number 45. Jersey number 16, binaba ang bola. Magmamadali. Jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, dalawang isip. Pass to jersey number 16 again. Jersey number 16, pump. Stop. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 47. First personal foul, first team foul. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 16, receive the ball. Pump. Jersey number 30, bumitaw ng tres. No good. Rebound by jersey number 40, Riolo. Riolo na tinatawid ang bola. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 45, Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys, buwan ng skarte. Pasakay. Mirino. Balik kay Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys. Steal. But. Pass Mirino. Riolo, bumitaw ng tres. No good. Rebound by Mirino. May hatol ang referee. Offensive foul, jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, third personal foul, jersey number 0. Jersey number 13, ginamit ang bola. Jersey number 13 making a play. Jersey number 13, pass to, sa ilalim, jersey number 16, receive the ball. Umatake, pass to jersey number 28, 2 points, jersey number 28. Here we go. Jersey number 47. Jersey number 47, Castillo. Castillo making a play. Bumangga. Castillo, hindi na makakasahan. Castillo bumangga ulit. Castillo, muntik na magaw. Ay sa kanya pa rin. Pass to Albaran. Albaran sa ilalim. Albaran, book shot. No good. Dito pa, jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 91, board 2. No good. Dito pa jersey number 4 pa rin. Pass to jersey number 16. Hook shot. Gets a foul. Basket. Foul. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 47. Second personal foul. Second team foul for jersey number 47. Bonus shot for jersey number 16. No good. Rebound by jersey number 25. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 91. Jersey number 91. Second personal foul. First team foul. Ready for sub break. Sub. In, out. Score 75-70. Jersey number 45 sa ilalim, 2 points for Hardy Boys. Score 77-70 in favor of Team South Plains. 7 minutes and 55 seconds on the clock. Ready for sub break. No good, you goodbye. Jersey number 18, Albaran. Albaran, pass to jersey number 40, Riolo. Riolo, 3 down at 3. No good, 3 goodbye. Jersey number 45, Hardy Boys. Labas ang bola, pass to jersey number 47, Castillo. Castillo, gumagawa ng play. Pass to jersey number 0, Merino. Merino, no good. Driven by jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, cross. Loose ball. Bola ng kabila sa rep. Sub. In out. Inside out. Jersey number 11 in. Jersey number 13 out. Riolo. Pass to Merino. Receive the ball. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining on the clock. Merino making a play. Tumawag na kakampi. Merino. Merino pumunta ang kabila. Sa kanya pa rin. Merino sa ilalim. Block! Jersey number 18 Albaran. 2 points. Jersey number 16. Receive the ball. Tatawid ang bola. Counter screen. Steal by Merino. Off. Backcourt violation. South in. Jersey number 4 in. Jersey number 47 out. 7 minutes remaining on the clock. Tarman, jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 for 3. No good. 3 goodbye. Jersey number 40, Riolo. Riolo. Ball, jersey number Second personal foul. No good. Number 5, Marino. Ready for shot break. Marino, pass break 2. Jersey number 45, Hardy Boys. 2 points. Jersey number 45. Score, 81-70. 6 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. Jersey number 4 again. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 18, Albaran. Ready for shot. Albaran, pass to Hardy Boys. Layup. 2 points. Number 5. Timeout. Pass to jersey number 11, Garcia. Back to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 making a play. Pass to jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 16. Steal by Riolo. Riolo, nagkaroon ng kasaan. Pass to Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys, pass sa ilalim Castillo. Jersey number 4. 2 points. Steal by Albaran. Oops. 9 feet violation. Stop rep. Jersey number 21 in. Jersey number 4 out. Jersey number 25. Bumitaw ng tres. No goal. Dito kay Riolo. Riolo. Pinapatay ng dalawa. Riolo tinatawid ng bola. Riolo making a play. Riolo pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Riolo pa rin. Pass to Riolo. Riolo nagkatay ng kakampi. Riolo. Pinapatay ng dalawa. Sa kanya pa rin. Pass to Riolo. 4-3. 10. Riolo. 3 points. Garcia receive the ball. Pass to jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Pass back to Garcia. 4-2. 2 points by Garcia. Alcaraz. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Speed move. Kailan mo makapasan. Pass to Merino. Merino. Magawa ng play. Speed move. Merino. Sa kanya pa rin. Merino. Pass to Alcaraz. Alcaraz ng drive. Go, go. Little time. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Steal by Merino. Merino. Deep pass. South plane. Basketball. Sabre. Isa na lang po. Time remaining 4 minutes and 32 seconds. 88-74 in favor of Team South Plane. Castillo. Castillo making a play. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 making a play again. Jersey number 4. Pass to Merino. Merino. Nagkatila ang play. Pass to jersey number 4 sa ilalim. Benfield. 3-5. Jersey number 45. Hardy Boys. Break. Hardy Boys again. Pass to Merino. Merino pinakalma ka ng play. Pass sa kay. Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys. Maranga. Speed. Hardy Boys. Play away. Go, go. Dito ba jersey number 30? Jersey number 30. Nakadali. Pinagbahan ang bola. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 11. 2 points. Jersey number 11. Garcia. Go. Timeout. South Plane. Bola na zone 4. Jersey number 25. Find the receiver. Jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 35. Pass to jersey number 34-3. No good. Broken by jersey number 35. Shot. Easy. 2 points for jersey number 25. Alcaraz. Nagana na makapasan. Pass to Castillo. Castillo. Pass to Merino. 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 Marata. Kinaliwa. No good. Broken by Hardy Boys. 2 points. Hardy Boys. Pass to Garcia. Ready for sub. Garcia. Pass to jersey number 30. Using the board. 2 points. Jersey number 30. Score 90-80 in favor of Team South Plane again. Jersey number 34. Let's go. Ready for the South Plane player. Okay, back to the ball game. Taking a shot for Garcia. Basket. Ball possession. Back to the ball game. There's a misunderstanding. Jersey number 91, passing jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, passing jersey number 30. Passing jersey number 30 again. Passing jersey number 30 ulit. Again, number 30. Jersey number 25. Paso, Garcia sa ilalim. Using the board. No good. Number 5. Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys. Pass to Albaran. Albaran. Pass to Merino. Merino na naman makapasan. Making the play. Hardy Boys on the drive. No good. Jersey number 91, nagpapadali, nagpapang bola. Jersey number 21, on the pass to jersey number 30. Step back 3, jersey number 30. No good, number 5. Merino, Merino pass to Riolo. Riolo, pass to Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys, tinaas ng bola, naganda ng kakampi. Pass to Albaran, Albaran. Pass to Riolo. Riolo, pinakalma. Pass to Merino. 10 shoot. Jersey Hardy Boys. 2 points for Jersey number 4. Last 30 minutes. Jersey number 30. Ready for timeout. No good. Ready for 5. Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys. Pass to Merino. Merino pass to. Sa kanya pala. Merino on the drive. No good. Number 5. Jersey number 91. Pass to jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Sa gitna. Pass to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 back to jersey number 25 for 3. Bam! 3 points! Jersey number 25. Ready for timeout. Merino, pass to Hardy Boys, reverse and one play! Timeout, zone 4. Boys, bonus shot. 1 minute and 24 seconds on the clock. Score 94-81. Bonus shot. Basket. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, no good again. Rebound by Albaran. Albaran niya ang bola. Kaya na mapapasahan. Pass to jersey number 4. Pass to Riolo. Riolo, gatma. Riolo. Still, here comes jersey number 30. On that drive, pass to jersey number 25, free throw. No good, rebound to jersey number 30. Lepas. Pass to jersey number 16, bumitaw ng tres. No good, rebound pa, jersey number 40, Riolo. Riolo, foul. Jersey number 25, graduate. Running for penalty lang po. Sub for jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, graduate number. Fouled out, jersey number 25. 49 seconds remaining on the clock. Albaran, pass to Riolo. Riolo na madali. Riolo kalma. Pass to the jersey number 4, back to Merino. Merino, hinawakan ng bola. Kaya na mapapasahan Merino. Merino, pass to Albaran. Albaran, nagala na mapapasahan again. Albaran on the jump shot. 2 points by Albaran. Score 95-84. 30 seconds remaining. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 30 again. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 15. Shot for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 18 Albaran. Albaran pass to jersey number 45. Hardy Boys. Pass to Merino. Merino, gantay na nakampi. Pass to Riolo. Riolo, bumitaw ng tres. No good. Rebound by jersey number 45. Hardy Boys. Back to Merino. 5 seconds remaining. Merino, bumitaw ng tres. No good.